And if I say more than one may be correct, then why not B, why not C, and why not D? A is no doubt correct, but what about others? Let's go one by one. What about B? Why is it not correct? If it is not correct. I can see that private message. That's a good answer. Because kinetic energy may change due to work done by internal forces. That's absolutely right. So internal forces can do work. So we cannot surely say B is correct. Okay, then how about C? If it is not correct, why is it not correct? And if it is correct, why is it correct? Yes, I can see that private message because torque may not be zero. That's right. For a system of particles, if F net is zero, then that does not imply that this is zero. It does not imply that. Any questions about C? If you have, then let me know. That private message which says internal torque can change angular momentum is not correct. Internal torque cannot change angular momentum. The answer is this. If F external is zero, that does not mean that tau external is zero. I can give you an example if you want. So if C is not clear to you, raise your hand and I will give you the example. If it is clear, okay. Consider this rotation axis and suppose that we have one force acting here which is maybe 2 Newton at point P. To make it simpler, let me make it like this. I have tried to keep it very simple. Now for this body, If you look at 2 Newton and 2 Newton, then net is 0. Directions are opposite. But if you look at net torque, then suppose this distance is say 10 centimeter and this distance is 15 centimeter. Will they cancel? In fact, even if you take same distances 10 and 10, then these torques are not going to cancel. They are in fact supporting each other. Perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance. This torque tries to turn it this way. This torque tries to turn it this way. So while they are against each other in terms of forces, they are supporting each other as far as rotation is concerned. Couple, this type of concept, this is a beam, one force is up, F, other force is down, F. That beam has some axis of rotation. Now if this is F, this is F, on this beam system, net force is 0. But you will see that the beam will rotate because these two forces are helping each other for rotational motion. This F, clockwise. That F, torque, if I am talking about, tries to turn it clockwise. C is not correct. How about D? If it is incorrect, why? If it is correct, why? And that message says because potential energy may change due to internal forces. Okay. It may change due to conservative internal forces. Conservative internal forces. Work done by conservative internal forces to be more accurate. Yes. Work done by conservative internal forces can change the potential energy. So D is not correct. Any questions? Let me know.